Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Mobills account using the Mobills application. So let's get started right away. Start off by launching open your Mobills application from your app drawer. From the first interface of Mobills, to log into an existing account, tap on I'm already registered. Now, choose the login method from this screen. You can continue logging in with Apple, Google, or with your email address. To log in with your email, tap on Continue with Email and then type in your email address followed by your account's password. Make sure to type in your email correct inside the email text box. Provide the same email that you used while signing up for Mobills. On the next field, type in your account's password. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Your Password. After you are done with everything, tap on Continue. Wait for a few minutes and you will be able to log into your Mobills account using the Mobills application on your mobile device. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.